Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix long loading time for drivers and folders in Windows 10 L1 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all open your file explorer. Then right click on drive, click on properties. Then select here customize. Here optimize this folder for. If you select any other option, you should select general items. Then click on apply, click on OK. After doing this, close this window, press on Windows key, then search here disk clean. Select here C drive, click on OK. Here you select only thumbnail option, then click on OK. You can see this type of interface, then click on delete all files. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So that's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.